Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to create animated photos on CapCut. So here I've already added 3 photos or images to CapCut, and if you guys want to know how to make this picture into like animated or look live, I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So first you need to go to the effects on CapCut and choose video effects, and then here you can basically add any effects that you like or your favorite effects, but I'm going to just go with the trending, so what's on trending now on CapCut. So first maybe I'm going to just use the by the fireplace effect for the first photo. So I'm going to use three different effects. So here is for the first one, and the second one I'm going to use a different effect. Okay, next I'm going to use this dizzy butterfly. Click on the check icon again. Okay, I'm going to adjust it in here, and for the third one I'm going to find another effect. Okay, maybe the diamond shorts. Okay, click on the check icon, and here is the final result. But to make it looks more alive, I'm going to use the style. So I'm going to click and go to style, and here maybe I'm going to just use the photo slinky. Or for the next one I'm going to use a different one, maybe the camera bounce. And then the last one I'm going to use the 3D zoom. Okay, let's see the final result. Click on the check icon, and here is the animated photos on CapCut. You can see now it looks more alive. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.